Yeah, everything is nice and here now, guys, and it's clean up. And here is because of the water so much, so the pressure is really so big and strong, so the plants, but it will be back in a few days, always like that, nice and clean. Good job, my love. Even here nice and clean, and here pressure water does that, so that's fine. It's cold, so get water now because you just want a moment. Oh well, it's nice and clean, as you can see, even right there. See, I couldn't get the video here when we start here because it was really the water splashing all over, so only one person can do that. Otherwise, if you include yourself of cleaning, then yeah, you have to do it like this as well. It's very good, nice and clean, not much mold like it was. It's always like that when winter, especially too many things around. Yeah, have to do it, otherwise, surrounding is pretty messed up for a while, but we have to clean it anyway when the summer comes. There, some of my rosemary here. Don't know what he done with this, but it was already got soil on it. But I think the water just splashed it all over. Oh well, I should have removed it here. I guess I can plant it like that again. See, she's doing really well here, even in the winter. They hate winter. Oh, they like the cold one, but they hate the summer, really, really hot. So my flowers here too. Oh man, he just splashed water all over. Never mind. Next time it won't be in the way because I will going to remove it in styrofoam. Put it in the big pots. Not in this anymore. It's so hard when you put it in here. You can't carry it all over. See, but it's good thing it's not dead, my rosemary yet. Which is good thing one. Yeah, you done a good job here cleaning everything. Yeah, it's too many ferns there. And this flower looks so cute. See? Just a beautiful flowers. My red hibiscus is not doing so well right now because it's freezing still. So we're gonna wait until spring and I'll be back again. Yeah. Yeah, enjoy this moment, guys. All this cleaning up from the GERNI. And look at this now. In the winter, at least they don't die because I put them in the really sunny spot. My other rosemary here, it's doing alright, but the other one is doing good. So I cultivate it. I'm gonna make it really nicely again soon in the summer, only in the winter because it's too cold and they really don't like it. So now I let them be. And this seeds from the alogbate, what they call this in English. I'm going to plant this one so it start in the beginning like a baby one. So that's why I don't kill them in this winter. So I let them be here in Australia in winter. Although they don't die because I put it in the really sunny spot. In the daytime it's nice and warm, little bit, like 20 degrees. As long as they're in the sunshine, they're fine. And then in the spring, I will start to planting them back. So yeah, it's done so good. Yeah, my loves, he done really, really good today for doing this. Cleaning it a lot. So it don't look not good. It don't look nice. And this elephant ears plants here making so good from the first one. See, it start here smaller than that, very smaller like this one. It start like this one and it's good. As long as this one it turn into like old and yellowish, don't kill them and cut them. Just let them be until these tips here are growing babies. Really tiny babies come out like this, and it turn like that one. Yeah, and you can plant that one anywhere else, but I'm gonna make it in the winter or spring. I mean, not now. Ooh, it's really freezing outside now that the sun shine, but still good if you're sunning yourself. Ugh, the wind makes you chilly when blowing a lot. I show you the ferns here, guys. Here, it's too much fern around here. I guess this somewhere here got snakes too, and some other wild animals like little cute bandicoot. Yeah, we let them be there. But the snakes sometimes in the summer they just around here as well, so we chase them out. As long as they are not poisonous, they are fine. Yeah. Some of them are tree snake. Ooh, it's freezing in the shadow. And look at my maple tree there. It's still calvo. It's not much coming back yet. That's only in the winter time they do like that. But in the springtime, all these leaves are come out, and all the new lives are come out from them, which is really really awesome to see. Right now, even this tree next to the, I don't know, maple or relatives of maple tree, next to this maple tree was this kind of plants. I don't know what kind of kahoy it is or tree. It's just weird because in the winter they do behave like that tree as well, like our relatives of maple. Look, maple, maybe it is a maple tree. And our berries there, weird because in the corner they have a fruits as well. We have a little tiny fruits left. We're gonna go show you there, guys. Bear with me. See, man, this one it's sprouting now. It's really amazing. See that? It's really yucky. We have to mop this or clean it up a bit as well. See? Wow, so amazing from there to here. Very very nice and clean. I love it. This still a little bit moldy. Maybe we clean up a bit more from the hose. We come back here. Look at this. Look, our berries are slowly getting fruit. Look at that. So nice. See that, guys? It look like sometimes it's really warm in the daytime. Weird weather. It's not supposed to do like that because it's not spring yet, but some is really like a wind, like really summer in a few days, like last week. Now because of the wind it's starting freezing again. See that? That's our mulberry tree. Supposed to be this come back in spring, which is not spring yet because it's still July or August now. Yeah, it's weird. Yeah, if you don't know what's a mulberry tree look like, this is the mulberry look like. I think meron din ito sa Pinas in the nice places like Baguio. Yeah, we have that in the Philippines too. And some of the beautiful flowers there, it look like an orchids. See? Wow. But that's not from the mulberry. That's from the tree next to it. See? Full of trees in here, guys. Yeah. That's it. Thank you for watching. And the others are starting to get like that, reddish, when they started to get ripe, the mulberry trees or fruits. Yeah. Thank you for watching, everybody. We enjoy this, and then this tree is still here. Look at that. It's beautiful. I forgot what's the name. Kanji boy. It's really really good tree. When you do like this, it goes all over from the top, and look at that. It's even taller than ceiling now. Lol. This is really really good to grow. This is really resilient summer, winter. Voila, by all means, this still here. It turned yellow in the winter though. See that one? But the rest, if you get summer or daytime, It's nice. They love in the really summery. Yeah, they're really a summer plant. Yeah. That's it, guys. Come back in here. Sorry for all the mess. Yeah. Subscribe, like to our channel, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate your support. Don't forget to give us the comment down below, and make sure we do that in our new content. And don't worry about it, guys. We will come back to you as soon as we can. Okay, just leave us a comment below. You know the drill. You can watch it even 3 or 5 minutes. We do the same for you. Yeah, thank you so much. Keep coming, all the new friends and old friends here. I really appreciate the support from our channel here. Thank you, guys. See you all in our next vlog. Have a good day. Happy life too. Stay safe, everybody. Kind of God's here from Australia. Bye bye for now. Here is the calbo tree or the bulb tree in the winter time here in Australia. Don't worry, I will come back in the new life in the springtime, which is nice and bit warm and nice and cold a little bit. And it's just please so nice weather. Very nice. So in the winter time, they're old and fully leaves here. Yeah, which is really exciting. And the next tree is same. Yeah, thank you so much, everybody. I thought just sharing to you while I'm doing video in the background anyway in our yard. So just let you update to those people are following us. Thank you so much, kabayan, and all their friends locally and all the international. Thank you, guys. Ciao for now, and I hope to see you soon. Bye. Take care.